Hello, my name's Camille. I'm a Psych and Gov double major, and this is...
I'm Nina. I'm a studio art major.
And welcome to our room. I was really worried about decorating. I wanted it to feel like a home. So these posters that are up on the wall, I designed all of them except for the gold one. Come over here, you can see my Astros banner, which I freaking love the Astros, like, go Stros. This is our kitchen area. We moved the fridge for more space. And then I have my wonderful nightstand where I get all of my things at night, and my fan keeps me cool.
Over here we have my bookshelf with my bobbleheads and my Old Bay, which is my essential. I have all of my pictures of my friends and family, some of my favorite things. I have my La La Land poster. I have a concert patch that I went to, some more Orioles banners, and then over here is a bunch of stuff that I've collected from my first year. My favorite thing about living in Jester is how conveniently located it is to everything on campus, and my favorite thing in the room is probably my Dr. Pepper magnet.
My favorite thing about living in Jester is access to the JCL pork pot stickers. They're delicious, and I bring them back to the room whenever I can, just as like a late night snack. And then my favorite thing about the room is this canvas of all my family and friends, and it just makes me feel connected to home even though I'm a couple hours away. Thanks so much for coming to our room.
Welcome!
Welcome!